In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and find items on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started and explore how you can navigate this handy platform to find great deals with ease. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the left-hand sidebar on your screen. You should see an icon labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to buying and selling within Facebook. Upon entering the marketplace, you'll notice an array of items listed for sale. This page acts as your virtual marketplace, showcasing all the different categories and items people have listed. It's quite exciting because you never really know what you'll find until you start browsing. If you have a specific product in mind, use the search bar at the top of the page to type in what you're looking for. This search feature is quite robust and will filter through the listings to show you options matching your query. Next, to ensure you're looking at items available in your area, you'll want to focus on the location settings. Just below the search bar, you have the choice to filter by location. You can input a specific town or city where you'd ideally like to find the item. Additionally, you might want to adjust the radius. This setting allows you to limit or expand how far you're willing to travel to pick up an item. You can select options such as 5 miles, 10 miles, or more, depending on how wide a net you want to cast for your search results. Once you're happy with the filters, don't forget to hit the apply button to refresh your listing results. Now let's sort the listings. By clicking on sort by, you can organize the listings in a way that suits your preferences. This could be based on price, distance, or even the newest listings on the market. Moving on to another handy feature, you can also set a price range. This is especially useful if you're working with a specific budget. Simply enter the minimum and maximum prices you're comfortable with, and that will filter out any listings outside your range. Finally, for more refined searching, you can click on Date Listed if you're interested in the most recent postings or availability to find items that are currently still up for sale. Both options help ensure that you're not wasting time on outdated or unavailable listings. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to navigate Facebook Marketplace like a pro. Dive in, start searching, and score those deals with confidence. Happy shopping on Facebook Marketplace.